Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and of course it's your girl Jackie. If you're a new subscriber, karibu sana, feel at home. We appreciate you, we appreciate your presence. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and if you are a returning subscriber, we love you so much, and join our family. So guys, a lot of you people have been in sending me inbox messages on my Instagram page, telling me that they want me to do another content based on the real estate. So I don't know why, but guys, I will honor I will honor what you told me, and of course I'll give you the content. And on to today's video, I have a surprise for you. It's about the real estates. So guys, feel at home, stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Road to 10,000 subscribers, guys. I'm honoring your request, guys. So tell a friend to subscribe. We want to go far, we want to grow our family. And so guys, as we dive into our topic of the day, we have the real estates drama tours. And so okay, when I saw the request, I thought maybe somebody out there wants to start a real estate or something. And you know, personally, I love information that is passed orally, unlike reading an article. It's so tiresome, but once you listen to an oral information, it's easy, and you tend to get even the information very fast, and even making the best decision. And so, who am I? It's my job to honor your request. So guys, on to today's video, I want us to dwell on the real estate. And like I tend to ask myself, what is a real estate? And on my findings, real estate can be a land or any permanent structure like home, or improved structures to the land, whether natural or it can even be a man-made structures. So real estate, these are property, but they're not personal property. Real estate, these are property and slightly different from personal property, and is not permanent attached to the land. Like, we can exclude things like vehicles, boats. We can exclude things like jewelries, furnitures, equipment, and etc. So guys, I hope from up to there, we're sailing on the same boat. And so on real estate, we have their main categories. You know, you cannot just wake up and say, I want to venture into a real estate. No, there are categories in real estate, and you have to sit down and understand what type of real estate do I want to really venture into. And so the categories of real estate, we have the commercial real estate, which I am going to explain later. I first list them down, and then I will explain later each one of them. We have the commercial real estate, we have the residential real estate, we have the industrial real estate, we have the land real estates, and the special use. So when it comes to the residential real estate, residential, this is like purchasing a home, property, or land. And this one, all this entails the real estate. So it's very simple. This includes like family homes, condos, cooperatives, duplexes, townhouses, and the multi-families residences. And so on to the next one, we have the commercial real estate. These ones are commercial. From the word itself, it explains itself. We have the commercial real estate, and these are business properties there which are used for the purpose of the business, and they includes apartments or these big complexes, gas stations. These are things that we usually see every now and then. We have the grocery stores, hospitals, hotels, offices, the parking slots, facilities, the restaurants, the stores, shopping centers, and the theaters. All those are commercial real estates. And you can never know if they are commercial real estate until you venture in to them. It's hard to tell because they are not written there on top that this is a commercial real estate. No. So on the other one, we have the industrial real estate. From the word itself, these are things that industries, of course, what do industries do? They manufacture products. Yeah, so it's used for manufacturing actually. So these are production, distribution, storage, and research and development real estates. All these zones. I know by now you're wondering, what type of real estate do I venture into? There are many types of real estate you can venture into, and so there's another one, the land, or let me say the raw land. This is undeveloped properties that are vacant lands and agricultural lands. In simple terms, they means things like farms, things like orchards, things like ranches and timberlands. All these are low lands, real estates, just that you cannot tell. So to our last point on the main categories of real estate, we have the special purpose, special use. So this is a property that is used by the public, and these are the cemeteries, the government buildings, the libraries, the parks, places of worship, and schools. Okay, most of the things that we usually use, that we usually have, most of them are real estate. If even you can venture into them, it's a wide topic that you need to sit down and think, is this the best business that I want to venture into? But real estate is a very big wide topic, and it's a good business. Anybody can venture into. If you feel this is the best business that I want to venture into, please just go into it. So another thing we have to note, real estate, there are people who are called real estate agents, and these are the people we meet now on the ground who now come to negotiate and even close the deal on behalf of these companies. So these are an agent, of course, these are person who works on behalf of the company, and they are licensed professionals who come in touch with buyers and sellers, who arranges the real estate and transaction and act as representatives in their negotiations. So there's no way a company can come and approach these companies, they have the agents, and you cannot tell an agent until they approach you, until you show interest that I want to be a real estate partner. That's the only way you can have the network of these people. And before we dive into and so it is best to note that commonly real estate is either purchased with cash or a financed mortgage through a private or a commercial lender. That is a sweet topic about real estate. I am enjoying more to know about this real estate, because myself had not thought of even venturing into such a business, but maybe with time I'll think about it. And so guys, I hope you've learned something important about the real estate. Please, if you find this content helpful, as I have honored your request, guys, inbox me on what you want me to dwell on, inbox me what exactly you want. So on to my next video, I've seen a person telling me that, Jackie, do a content for us about affiliate marketing, and I promise you my next video, that is what I will have to do. And you guys are my I I love you so much, guys. The requests that you usually send to me, I usually honor them. And so please, if you find this content helpful, this content important to you, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, be part of our family, and every time you get to be notified every time we post a video, every share a video. And so guys, until next time, bye bye.